Have you ever stood in line for a coffee or met someone new and felt that nervous flutter? You want to say something, but the English words just don't come. What if you make a mistake? What if they don't understand? First, take a deep breath. This is a challenge every language learner faces. But what if I told you that you could practice English every single day in simple, real-life situations? In this video, I will walk you through 7 easy scenes to practice your conversation skills. The goal is to show you how easy and fun it can be to use simple, useful phrases to connect with people every day. Let's get started. Scene 1. The coffee shop run. Your first mission, should you choose to accept it, is the daily coffee run. Ordering a coffee is the perfect low-pressure opportunity for a quick conversation. You have a clear goal, and the interaction is usually short and friendly. Here's how it might go.
Hello, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Can I have one coffee, please?
Sure, a hot coffee or an iced coffee?
Ooh, it is a sunny day. An iced coffee, please.
Good choice. What size? We have small, medium, and large.
A medium, please.
Okay, 1 medium iced coffee. And would you like milk with that?
No, thank you. Just black.
No problem. Anything else? A cookie?
A cookie sounds nice. Oh, wait. Do you have banana bread?
Let me check. I'm sorry, we don't have banana bread today.
Oh, okay. No problem. Just the chocolate cookie, please.
Great, so that is 1 medium black iced coffee and 1 chocolate cookie.
Yes, that's right.
Your total is $6.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your cookie. Your coffee will be ready in 1 minute.
Thank you very much.
Calling out 1 medium iced coffee.
That's me. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Your key phrases. Can I have 1 coffee, please? Do you have? How much is it? Here you are. Have a wonderful day. Notice how the barista asks clarifying questions like hot coffee or an iced coffee, and what size? In service situations, be prepared to answer these simple follow-up questions. It's a fantastic, low-stress way to practice your listening skills. Scene 2. Shopping for clothes. Ready for another real-world mission? Let's go shopping. This scenario is perfect because store assistants are paid to be helpful and patient, making it a safe space to practice your questions.
Hello, can I help you?
Hello. Yes, please. I am looking for a t-shirt.
Okay, the t-shirts are over here. What color do you like?
I like blue or green.
We have a very nice blue t-shirt. Look.
Oh yes, that is a beautiful color. I like it.
What size are you?
I am a medium.
Here is a medium.
Thank you. Can I try it on?
Yes, of course. The fitting room is over there.
It's perfect. I love the color.
It looks great on you.
Thank you. How much is it?
This t-shirt is $15.
$15. Okay, I will take it.
Great. Will you pay with cash or card?
With card, please.
Your key phrases. Can I help you? I am looking for a t-shirt. Can I try it on? How much is it? I will take it. Will you pay with cash or card? Don't be afraid to ask for what you want. Phrases like, I am looking for, and can I try it on, are direct, polite, and will get you the help you need. The assistant's job is to understand you, so take your time and speak clearly. Scene 3. Asking for directions. Feeling lost in a new city can be scary, but it's also a golden opportunity for a quick, helpful conversation. Trust me, most people truly want to help you find your way. The most important first words you can say are, "Excuse me."
Excuse me, I am lost. Can you help me?
Oh, of course.
Where is the train station?
Oh, it is easy. Go straight, then turn left. The station is on the right.
Go straight, turn left. It is on the right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Your key phrases. Excuse me, I am lost. Can you help me? Where is the train station? Go straight. Turn left / turn right. It is on the right. Starting with excuse me is the polite way to get someone's attention. When they give you directions, it's a great idea to repeat them back. Go straight. Turn left. This confirms you understood and shows you're listening carefully. Scene 4. Meeting someone new. Okay, let's level up. Meeting a new person at a party, in a class, or at an event can make anyone nervous, but all you need are a few simple questions to get a great conversation started.
Hello, my name is Peter.
Hi, Peter. I'm Emma. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too. Are you enjoying the party?
Yes, it's very nice. The music is good.
I agree. So, what do you do?
I am a writer. And you?
I am a teacher. Wow, a writer. That is very interesting. So, do you live here?
Yes, I do. What about you?
No, I am visiting.
Oh, cool. So, what do you do in your free time?
I like to read books and I play the guitar.
You play the guitar? That is so cool. I love music.
Your key phrases. My name is. It's nice to meet you. What do you do? Do you live here? What do you do in your free time? / what are your hobbies? The question, what do you do, is a great start, but following up on their answer, wow, a writer, that is very interesting, is what turns a simple exchange into a real conversation. Always show you're listening. People love to talk about what they do and what they love. Scene 5. Making plans with a friend. Once you've made a new connection, you can use your conversational skills to build that friendship. A simple phone call or text is a perfect way to practice making plans.
Hi, Emma. It's Peter. How are you?
Hi, I'm great. What's up?
I am calling. Are you free on Saturday?
Saturday. Yes, I am free in the afternoon. Why?
Do you want to go to the park? The weather is beautiful.
Go to the park? That is a great idea. I would love to.
Wonderful. What time is good for you? Is 2 p.m. okay?
2 p.m. is perfect. Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the big clock tower near the park entrance.
The big clock tower. Okay, I know where that is. Great.
So, Saturday at 2 p.m. I am excited.
Me too. See you on Saturday.
Your key phrases when they say yes. Are you free on Saturday? Do you want to go to the park? What time is good for you? Where should we meet? Let's meet at. See you on Saturday. But what if they aren't free? No problem. It's perfectly normal, and knowing how to respond keeps the conversation going smoothly. Your key phrases when they are busy. I am sorry, I am busy. What about Sunday? If your friend is busy, don't worry. The phrase, what about, is your friendly superpower. It shows you are flexible and still want to see them without any pressure. Scene 6. The ultimate icebreaker, the weather. This is the classic, can't-fail way to start a conversation with anyone, anywhere, at a bus stop, in an elevator, or in line at the grocery store. The best part is that it works for both good and bad weather. For good weather, it is a beautiful day today, isn't it? For bad weather, oh, it is so cold today. I can't believe this rain. The tag question, isn't it, at the end of it is a beautiful day today, isn't it, is a classic English technique to invite a response. It turns a simple statement into a friendly, shared observation, making it very easy for the other person to agree and start talking. The graceful exit. How to end a conversation. Knowing how to end a conversation politely is just as important as knowing how to start one. Instead of just walking away, use this simple two-step guide. Give a reason. I have to go now. It is getting late. I have to go to work. Say something nice. It was nice to talk to you. I enjoyed our chat. Have a good evening. Have a great weekend. This leaves the conversation on a happy, positive note and makes the other person feel good. Your turn. The most important step is to try. We've covered coffee shops, shopping, directions, and meeting new people. But all the phrases in the world won't help without one key ingredient: practice. Remember, the most important step is to try. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Most people are very kind and will be happy that you are making an effort to speak their language. As Emily and Paul said, a simple hello and a smile is a perfect start. So go out there and give it a shot. You might be surprised at how easy it is. In the comments below, tell us, where do you practice your English? Writing in the comments is also great practice, and we would love to read your stories.